Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you something like that. This is not the cheap dashcam from Temu or from TikTok. This is something completely different, and I hope this is the quite premium dashcam. Guys, let's start from unboxing. At the front you will find the name of the company and the name of the camera. Let's open the box. Inside the box you will find a memory card with the company name and the user manual. Then the QR codes for downloading the apps. The camera itself is very heavy. It is not the cheap piece of plastic from Temu or TikTok. The camera also has 5 function buttons, 1 on the side and 4 at the bottom. So inside the box you will find also lots of stuff and actually everything what you need to install the camera and all the cables around your car. The company sent me also the lens filter. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's put the memory card inside the camera, which you do on that way. Do not install the camera at the center of the windscreen, just because the mirror will cover the interior camera. Just do it on the passenger side or driver side. Okay, now I will stick the camera and install the cables. If you do it first time, that will take you around 1 hour. If you've got a bit experience, you will manage under 20 minutes. Okay, time to download the app and connect to the camera. Everything runs smoothly and the app menu is very intuitive. And the all options allow you to customize everything to your individual style and the preference. The camera also has voice control. Let's check how it's work. Take photo. Turn off screen. Turn on screen. Show rear camera. Show front camera. Inside video on. Back to home page. That's quite nice. Let's go on the road. So now we see the car and a few meters away from us. The image is perfectly clear and without any problem you can see the number plate. Just look at the car. Those cars in the front of us are moving away, and even at 3 times zoom we can easily see the number plates. The next test will show the true capabilities of this camera. I'm driving 56 miles per hour and the lorry is on the front of me. I can't see the number plates from the distance, but when I'm zooming 5 times I can easily read the license plate. Just take a look at the car at the front of me. I zoom in 6 times and I get what I wanted. Continuing driving at 65 miles per hour, I overtake the same car and the interior camera captures the outside view. I'm zooming 3 times and I still able to read the number plates. Let's check the quality of the rear camera. I overtake this car and without zooming in, I can see the number plate. Even after moving away from the car and zooming 3 times, I still have no problem to reading the number plate. Driving in the town is even much easier. You can see everything around yourself without any problem. You've got clear image of the number plates of the car on the front of you and also those cars on the side of the road and those passing us on the opposite side. Now let's check the camera at the nighttime. So as you notice, the image is not that clear like at the daytime, but what surprised me? When I'm passing the cars which were parked on the side of the road, after freeze the picture and zoom in 3 times, I can still read the number plates. Of course, the quality isn't that perfect like during the daytime, but that's another strong point of this camera. The biggest problem at the night for this camera, it's a road with the poor lighting, especially the old-fashioned yellow light. When we return on the road with the LED lighting, the situation quickly changes and we are able to read the number plates of the passing cars. At the night, the interior camera switched to the black and white night mode, providing the perfect image of the interior, which is very important especially for taxi drivers. What surprised me, that the rear camera works much better at night than the front one and captures more details. Pay attention to the number plates of the car parked on the side of the road. And now that's another interesting situation. Just look at that. On the 3 times zoom, I can read the number plates of the car behind me when I was changing direction. This is something what you couldn't find in the most cheaper cameras on the market, even on the daytime. If you are looking for the camera that will record all your drive with all details, this camera is for you. This is the high-end, high-quality device and provides excellent image from all 3 cameras. If you are interested to buy this camera, please take a look at the description and this video. There you will find the link to the shop. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and your 4 wheels and see you next time.